In this video, we will see how it is possible to create an e-commerce website directly on Framework. In fact, as we can see, there is always the option to create a website, a landing page. But if we wanted to create a very complex e-commerce site with inventory management and many other features, we would just need to go into customization and plugins and then search for e-commerce. As we can see, there will be a very comprehensive plugin with a lot of features, which once installed will open a section, as we can see. This section is called Ecommerce. We will just need to go into the products section and start uploading our products. We can also clearly import them via CSV, but as we can see, you can enter the price and you can set a discount with an expiration date. Even with a countdown, you can manage the inventory in and out. You can add descriptions to the products, you can set attributes and variations, for example, color, for example, sizes, and you can link other products for upselling or cross-selling. You can clearly upload images that will appear. In the form of a gallery, you can manage the SEO of the individual product, therefore how it will appear on Google. And then you can also manage the social previews. When this product page is shared on social media, a specific image, a customized title, and a description will appear. As we can see, indeed, it is truly possible to do a lot of things. You can also manage, for example, prices in multiple currencies. If you sell abroad, the Framework360 software, which we remind you, is a complete or real-time digital marketing platform. It will change the product price for example, euro to dollar with the exchange rate in real time. This is a very interesting feature that clearly those working on Framework360 with their e-commerce find very useful. You can also enter the code. Indeed, in the weight in kilograms, you can highlight products to display them, for example, on the homepage as a promotion. This is a very interesting thing. You can sell physical products, digital products, or gift vouchers. If a person wants to sell digital products, they just need to upload the file to make it downloadable in the customer's area of the purchaser. Thanks to Framework360, as we can see, it is truly possible to do anything. We see that there are indeed many features and many more will be released